Here I have Honor X6, and today I'm going to show you how to wipe cache from this device. So to do this, firstly you have to turn your device off by holding down power key, then tap power off, and after it turns off completely, hold down combination of keys power key plus volume up at the same time for a couple of seconds like this. And after your device vibrates and the screen turns on and you can see Honor logo appeared, you can release power key and keep holding only volume up, just like this. Now you can release all the keys. So when you're in this kind of menu, you can use volume keys to navigate and power key to select, and you have to select an option clear data and then wipe cache partition. And after a few seconds, all the cache from your device will be wiped. Then you go back, select restart, and after that your device will be restarted just as usual. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.